It's a Times Now exclusive. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister faces fresh heat. Times Middleman's IT report reveals how the middlemen of the education scam allegedly doled out cash and gifts to the politicians. Was there a quid pro quo that Sudhir Sharma, benefited from?
This is Sudhir Sharma, a former BJP worker who held powerful clout in the Shivraj Chauhan governed state. Sharma is currently absconding after his name was linked to the education scam in Madhya Pradesh. It is Sharma's connections and the alleged road to prosperity that could now spell problems for Chauhan. In 2012, residents of Sharma and another industrialist, Dilip Suryavanshi, were raided by the income tax authorities. Times Now has accessed the complete appraisal report generated by the IT officers. Today we reveal the first part of this three-part investigation. A link gets established between Sharma and a former minister of Shivraj Singh Chauhan government, Lakshmikant Sharma, who also finds himself in jail in the education scam. An entry in Sharma's diary shows 2.5 lakh cash given to Lakshmikant by Sudhir Sharma on the 4th of January in 2011 and 2 lakh paid on 4th of February in the same year.
Times Now has accessed the entire income tax appraisal report on the Madhya Pradesh mining scam. This report was prepared post the raids which were carried out in June 2012. The report clearly states that huge cash payments and travel expenses were made to several senior politicians in the state of Madhya Pradesh.
The IT report also has evidence of cash payments of 1 lakh rupees on the 24th of December in 2011, allegedly to the youngest son of a top BJP functionary. The diary entry seized from another associate of Sudhir Sharma, Jagdish Dhaneria, allegedly shows payments made to person referred to just as Mantri Ji. Evidence seized from various premises of Sudhir Sharma has also alleged payments for travel arrangements for a senior RSS leader. Sharma, who was heading the BJP education cell in the state, is allegedly close to the top echelons of the state government.
देखिए, सुधीर शर्मा की प्रगति को देखना पड़ेगा। उन्होंने पिछले 10 सालों में बड़ी तेज़ी से प्रगति की और शिवराज सिंह जी की सरकार के टेन्योर में की कि जो चाही वो माइंस उन्हें मिली। उन माइंस से उन्होंने बहुत पैसा कमाया, असीमित पैसा कमाया और उससे फिर उन्होंने भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सब नेताओं पर खर्च किया।
The question, however, is why did Sudhir Sharma, who is an accused in the MP exam scam and is now absconding, give money to BJP ministers and also finance the travels of top BJP leaders and their relatives?
These are all baseless charges and I feel they are unsubstantiated, immaterial evidences.
Why was Sharma making these payments to the politicians in Madhya Pradesh? Was it part of a quid pro quo for mining leases that his company allegedly got from the state government? And how deep do his contacts run into the Madhya Pradesh government? And was the Chief Minister aware of the money his minister allegedly received?
The Income Tax Department raided both these people. We have record, I have record. Categorically, they have said how much money has been paid to the RSS leaders, to the then BJP ministers and the senior BJP leaders.
Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who was today in Delhi to meet the new party boss Amit Shah, is feeling the heat as these revelations come on the back of the education scam that hit his state. And as more details from these assessment reports are revealed, the pressure could only increase. Bureau Report, Times Now.